In this video, we will see how to change your home screen wallpaper without changing your lock screen wallpaper on an iPhone. Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Let's start the video. So to change your home screen wallpaper on an iPhone, there are two ways. First of all, do one thing, unlock your iPhone and here just pull down your lock screen. And here just hard press and go to your customization mode and just tap on customize. And here just go ahead and tap on your home screen from the option. Just open your home screen and below there are multiple options given to you for customization like pair, your color or a gradient, and the fourth one, that is your image. So do one thing, just go ahead and tap on image and automatically it will open up photos from a gallery on your iPhone. And from here, any photo which you want to set a wallpaper, just go ahead and choose that photo and click on done. So automatically that photo will be set as your wallpaper for home screen on your iPhone. That's the way you can do it in simple steps. I hope it helped you, and if yes, then please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.